Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark icon in your YouTube channel's video from a PC. That's pretty simple. You have to open a browser from your PC. Here I am using the Chrome browser. Then you have to type on the address bar youtube.com, and then you have to select your profile, and then you have to click on view your channel. And now you have to click on customize channel. So if you click on this branding icon, and you will see an option to upload a video watermark from here. If you click on this upload button, then you will be able to add a picture for the watermark. Then you can choose it from here, click on done button, and after then if you click on this publish button, the watermark will be published. And here you will get three options. If you select the first one, the watermark will be shown into the last of your video, and if you click on the enter video, this watermark will be shown on the full video. And you can choose custom timeline of the watermark where it will be shown. Okay, so I am choosing it on the enter video. After choosing that, you have to click on the publish button. If you click on that publish button, the watermark will be saved and it will be shown to the all of your videos of your YouTube channel. So that's all how you can add an icon of watermark in your channel. So thank you for watching. Stay connected with Mr. Tech Fox.